Let's learn how to create a new Apple account. You can do this process on your computer or phone. First, let's open Safari app on your phone. After that, on the search bar, go to type appleid.apple.com. I will leave link of this site in the description of the video because I want you to go to the right site. When you come on this Apple account website, you need to make sure you're logged out of your current Apple ID. When you check it, you can see in the top right corner of the screen a little arrow button where you need to click to expand this page. When you do that, that will show you a three different options. First one is to sign in to your current account. Second one is to create your Apple account, on which option you need to click. When you do that, that will send you on this page where you need to enter your information, like his first name. I will enter it to John. Also, enter your last name. Third option is that to enter your country or region. I will put United States. Then go to enter date of birth. When you enter it, scroll a little down. Next, on another section, you need to enter your current email. That can be a Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, or whatever you want. I will enter my email I already use. When you enter it, go on another section. You need to put password, but make sure your password have least than 8 characters, less than one number, least than one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one special character. When you enter the password, go to another section. On this section, you need to put your phone number, but first to enter your phone number, you need to select a country from which your phone number coming, and then enter your phone number. After that, you need to select a method you want to Apple send you verification code to you. I'm choose to send me with text message. Next thing is that to make sure you unselected these two section. That is a necessary section which Apple use for marketing. And when you do that, scroll down and enter this code. If you can't read this code like me, you can click on new code to Apple show you a new code. And when you finish with this step, click on continue button to create a new Apple account. When you create it, go out of the Safari and open a settings app. When you open it, go on your Apple account and scroll all the way down to see sign out button, and you need to click on it to sign out of your current account and go to login with your new account. And that's it.